Welcome to the Pattern Recognizer. Most people are running programs they never chose. Today we expose one of those patterns, see exactly how it works, and discover the precise shift that can set you free. Let's begin. You've heard it 1,000 times. I'm sorry if you were offended. It sounds polite, it sounds humble, but notice what it never does. It rarely changes how the other person treats you. It rarely repairs trust. It often guarantees the same hurt will recur. Most people don't see it because they're living inside it. That casual automatic apology is not a repair. It's a repeated script, a pattern that protects the apologizer from feeling shame for a moment while it cedes power for a lifetime. I call this pattern the apology signature. In the next 7 minutes, you'll recognize its shape, understand the exact mechanisms behind it, and learn one short practice that will let you apologize without losing authority. A practice you can use today. One shift changes everything. First, the psychological map. The apology signature grows out of 3 childhood contracts: shame conditioning, attachment calibration, and contingent worth. Shame conditioning teaches you that a mistake means you are broken, so you apologize to make the feeling go away. Attachment calibration trains you to hedge closeness with appeasement, to buy safety through subservience. Contingent worth ties your value to others' approval. You apologize not because repair is needed, but because your identity depends on the other person's acceptance. Together, they create a reflex, quick lowering of posture, vague language, and an offer of undoing that contains no boundary. That's the mechanism. Now, the esoteric pattern, because energy follows form. Picture 3 shapes: the triangle, the circle, and the line. The triangle of subservience descends, you at the bottom, the other at the apex, power concentrated above you. The circle of deflection spins energy around the event: vague remorse, generalized sorrow, no center, and the broken line dissolves consent, phrases that end agreements before they begin, like "if I upset you" or "if you felt hurt." When apologies take those shapes, they encode a contract, you default to less, and the relationship defaults to more permission to overstep. Energy wants pattern. Change the geometry, and you change the flow. Energy aligns with shape. Reshape the apology, and you reshape relational destiny. Here's the reframe. Most people treat apology as confession of moral failure, a mirror that cracks and shows flaws. But what if apology is an instrument, a key you carve to open honest doors? The cracked mirror reproduces distortion. It amplifies shame and tells you to shrink. The carved key cuts edges deliberately, clear, precise, fitting the lock of repair without surrender. A small change in shape from subordinate triangle to straight, aligned line redirects where the relationship can go. The pattern is the prison. Awareness is the key. Awareness first, action second. Now the practice. The one concrete daily shift I call the apology resculpt. 3 simple phases you can run in under a minute, and one short example you can use immediately. Phase 1, posture reset, 30 seconds. Stand or sit with a neutral spine, shoulders back 1 notch, chin level, breathe into your chest, not your throat. This aligns your energy line. It removes the descending triangle. Phase 2, precise phrase 15 seconds. Use short, centered language. Name the behavior. Take responsibility without self-erasure, and state a repair or boundary. Example: I was late to our meeting. That was disrespectful of your time. I'll make it right by rescheduling at your convenience. Notice there's no apology that dissolves consent. Now, if classes phase 3, draw the boundary line, 15 seconds, state what you will change and what you expect. Example add-on: if this happens again, I'll check in ahead of time and accept accountability for missed time. That last sentence restores consent and sets a clear, energetic border. A brief ethical note: use this to repair, not to manipulate. Before you offer a reshaped apology, consider asking permission to speak. Can I share my part plainly? If the other person prefers space, honor that. Repair without coercion. This practice is about integrity. Repair the harm, preserve your authority, and create a healthier contract moving forward. That's the mechanism. And with right intent, one shift really does change everything. Recap quickly. The apology signatures of pattern geometry. Shame, attachment, and contingent worth produce a descending triangle, a distracting circle, and a dissolved line that erases consent. Reframe apology as an energetic instrument, a key rather than a cracked mirror. Practice the apology resculpt, posture reset, precise phrase, draw the boundary line. Use the consent phrase when appropriate. The pattern is the prison. Awareness is the key. That is the pattern. That is the mechanism. And that is your shift today. If you're ready to decode the full architecture of your life, explore my complete library and download the full Apology Resculpt worksheet at Desmarques.com. The worksheet includes scripting templates, a short daily drill, and guided reflections so you can practice until the new shape becomes reflex. The pattern is the prison. Awareness is the key.